All right, right? So you have 82, right? And they say replace this 8 right here with a 5. So the number would be now 52. So what would be the difference between 82 and 52?
30, sir.
30, yeah, correct. All right. So guys, just read them, interpret them. That's the only thing I'm worried about. If you don't read it properly and interpret it, but you guys are equipped to answer any questions they might have. All right. 22 says, if you write down all the numbers from 1 to 100, how many times do you write the digit 3? So WhatsApp that one to me, and then we discuss it. What's the answer? If you write down all the numbers from 1 to 100, how many times would you write the digit 3?
20.
All right, let's see. So you would start off with 3, right? 13, 23. Then if you guys agree now, then you go on to 30. So all of 30, 30, 31. I hope you guys listed them, guys. 32,
32,
33.
34.
I notice 33 is twice, right? It's 2 digits in that. 34,
Yes, sir.
35,
Put that down, Mikai.
36,
Put it down.
There's 18.
37. All right, 38, 39, 43. Remember, guys, only the digit 3 we're focusing on. 53. And guys, if you get questions like these, I want you to literally list them. Don't freestyle it. Don't just use your fingers. Literally count them out, have them in front of your face, and then you count them. Alright? It's so easy to make a mistake in these. So let's see how many times. Because it's between, right? So that means you stop at 99 basically. And you start at 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that would be B. Everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
So you have to list them out, guys. A lot of persons did not list them out.
No, sir, my answer is 11, sir.
You should have listed them out, Jeremiah, and counted them. Questions like these, we don't mess them up, alright? Because we can literally write the numbers and then count. For 33, that would be there twice. 3 would be there twice.
By that one. Both you'll get tricked by that one.
Yeah. But even if you had got tricked, there's no 19 there, so persons should have realized. Alright, let's look at 23. The sum of two numbers is 17. Which of the following is true? A. No, WhatsApp it to me, guys. WhatsApp it. What do you think the answer should be? And then we discuss, alright? Let's discuss it. The sum of two numbers is 17. Which of the following is true? A. Both numbers are even. B. Both numbers are odd. C. One number is even and the other is odd. D. More information is needed to tell. What's the answer?
C, sir. C. C.
One is
C,
even.
sir.
Yeah.
C.
One is even and one is odd. And you could do some little trial and error, guys. Because they said that the total is 17. You could have said, all right, 13 and 4. That makes 17.
5 plus 15 plus 2.
14 and 3. At all times, one is even, one is odd. 15 plus 2, as Kira said.
9 plus 8.
9 and 8. 1 even, 1 odd.
16 plus 1.
So these, yeah. So
Plus
these
1.
things, guys, I want you to literally put down the numbers because we know what some mean. Some mean you add the two numbers. So I want you guys to just don't freestyle it. Don't try, you know, just do practical things. Just add two numbers that you know can give you 17, and then you do more, and then you kind of pick up the pattern because that's what the mental ability is. They want you to think critically, think smart, and so forth. All right, send me that
Sir,
one.
11 plus
Mikael, what you say?
11 plus 6.
Oh, yeah, man. And 11 plus 6. Very good. So, guys, focus on 24 now. It says, given that 5 3/4 is equal to 5 plus box, what does box mean? What's up with that one, please? And then we discuss. All right. So, given that 5 3/4 is equal to 5 plus bracket, box plus box, what does the box represent? What does the box represent, guys?
3/4.
A quarter. I agree, Imani or Imani. In order to get the 3/4, right? That's what we need. We need to add a number to itself 3 times. That will give us 3/4. We cannot use 3/4, guys, because think about it. You have 3/4 plus 3/4 plus another 3/4. That would be a lot, right? We keep the LCM. So that would give the denominator rather, that would give you 4 and then 3 plus that at a 9. So this would work out to 2 1/4. How much we need? We need only 3/4. When you add the number, it add up to 3/4. So it would definitely be a quarter because a quarter plus a quarter plus a quarter will give us 3/4. You see, once there's an equal sign, it means that it's basically an equation and that the left-hand side should equal to the right-hand side. So you keep your else, the denominator, why do I keep saying LCM? And then now you add the top because it's the same denominator, which would give you the 3/4. So I already have the 5 here, so it's 5 plus what? So yes, that would be correct. Let's move on to 25, guys. All right, look at that. Observe this one. I think I have to go up a bit or small it up a bit. Observe all of them and then decide which would be the next in the pattern based on the ones that are provided up the top. So let me just small it up a bit so everyone can see all 4 patterns. What's up with that one? And then let us discuss it. All right, so it says in the following diagram, there's a pattern of 5 squares. So these are the 5 squares, right? And we are to observe whatever pattern is happening. Which of the following squares continues the pattern? What's the answer?
C.
B.
C as in cat?
I said B.
B. C.
All right, wait, guys. I heard C first. The person that says C, explain.
C, sir. C.
Yeah, Shamoy, that's what I'm saying. I'm going to give Shamoy the floor, guys. Explain why you chose C.
Because, sir, C. At the first box there, sir, it has X. It has X circle at the line, and C has the same thing there. So that's why.
That's the reason. All right. Those who said B, somebody who said B, you want to take the floor?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead, Kira. Why B?
So, sir, like I just see from the first box, they're going straight, X, O at equal sign, and then O is on second at the side, and now they're on a straight line, but up top now. But now they're going like upside down right angle now, and now they're going straight again. So they must go on a regular right angle. It must be 0 Like the circle must be at the end, and it must be like a right angle.
Okay. Any other explanation as to how you choose your answer, even if it's the same BRC? Anyone else look at it differently?
No, sir.
Okay, so it's the same way. All right, guys, I'm going to agree with B, and this is the reason. If you look at the pattern, just consider it's like it going this way, right? So you move over X here, so then O would come up here, and so. And then look at the next one. We carry X over to the next spot, which is this, right? Then you go down 1, and for this you go down 1. So that means the next move is to carry over X right here. The 0 would come here, and then the line would come here. So I agree with B. It's definitely B. Alright? So guys, you have to observe, very careful, and ensure that the pattern works throughout. So if you choose an option that doesn't work for all of them, then that would not be correct. You have to observe it. Alright? So let's move on to 26. Go ahead and WhatsApp me this one, and then we will discuss. So go ahead.
Chose D because it says one she did 234 skips. Then week 2 she makes the same number of skips. So you're gonna add those two because it's different weeks, and you're gonna get 468. When you get the 468, it says week 3 says she did 100 more skips.
And then
Week
sir,
1,
you
so you're
have
gonna
to add 100.
No, I'm on it. You can't do that, man. Allow the person to continue. Go ahead.
Sir, allowed. Please let him talk, please.
The same person that was doing it. Go ahead. That was Casey, I think.
you're gonna add 100 to 134, and it's
I think you're breaking up. Repeat what you said.
Yeah,
Repeat. We had 468. Repeat from there. You are breaking up.
Okay. Okay, so week 3 it says she did 100 more week 1. So you're gonna add 234, which she did on week 1, to 100 more that she did on week 3, and you're gonna get 334. So you're gonna add 334 plus 468, 800.
Okay. So you had 100 to this. What's happening with my son?
Great job.
So you have 4, 3, and 3. So now you say add 334 to this. Everybody agree with this? Or everybody, or there's an objection?
Sir, I agree.
Yes, I agree with that.
Yeah. It's correct, guys. The clue was, it says the person did 100 more than what they did in week 1. So week 1, they did 234. So that means in total, for week 3, it would have been 334. Excellent job. It is indeed D. Alright, Damani, I had your hand up. You can.
Whoever good job, whoever got that correct, good job.
Okay. That's very nice, Shamoy. Yeah, guys, that is good. Alright, so look at 27. I don't think that one will take you long. WhatsApp that one to me, and then we can discuss 27. And I'm just gonna let you guys see 28 also. I don't think it's pattern, so I don't think it will take you guys long to figure out both of them. So you can send both. Thanks so much. You're up.
Okay, so in 27 there's a pattern going on with multiples. So what is the difference between 7 and 9? That would be 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, and that's the difference between 9 and 13. Then afterwards, what is the difference between 13 and 21? That would be 8, and 4 times 2 is 8. So practically it's multiplying the difference of the number by 2. So then this would be 8 times 2, which would be 16. 21 plus 16 would be D, 37.
Okay. Everyone agree? I think it's 37.
Yes, sir, I agree.
All
But
right.
wait.
Kira, you okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead. What's your answer and why?
Alright, sir. So on number 28, you have 3 numbers: 3, 6, and 12. The difference between 3 and 6 is 3, right? So it would be 3 times 2 to get 6. And the difference between 6 and 12 is 6. So 6 times 2 equals 12. So that would mean you would have to multiply 12 by 2 to get your answer for number 28.
So what's the answer you got?
Answer is E, sir.
1 over 24?
Yeah.
Yes, I agree.
Job.
Everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
Did it
Good
again.
job.
Yeah. So
Yes,
it's like
sir, I
they're
agree.
doubling the denominator. Notice only the denominator, right? Because this remains as 1. See that, guys? So it's like they double the denominator each time. You double 3, you get 6. You double 6, you get that. You double 12, you get 24. Thanks so much, Damani. Good job. Shama, you are one cheerleader, you know. That's so awesome. All right, guys. So look at 29 and then WhatsApp me and then we discuss. Anybody want to volunteer for that one?
So Susan and Jerry measured their heights. Susan is 142 centimeters. So can you please?
Huh?
142 centimeters is Susan's height, and Jerry is 18 centimeters taller than Susan. So 142 plus 18 centimeters is 160 centimeters, but it says which is closest to Jerry's height. And note briefly, 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So they want their answer in meters. So 160 centimeters to meters would be 1.6 as you're dividing it by 100. So then if you have to round off the answers, A wouldn't be suitable because that's higher than 165. centimeters wouldn't make sense because that would be 1.7 meters. C would be reasonable because you round it up to the nearest whole number, it would be 1.6 meters. So the
Yeah,
answer
option
is
is C.
C.
All right, but someone might be wondering, oh, you got 160? You didn't tell us that.
I told them that I add 142 plus 18.
Okay, very good. Because since it's 18 meter taller, that means you're gonna add 18 to get Susan actual height.
So
So that
160 you
yeah,
convert it to meters, adding by 100.
yeah. Everyone agree with this solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
agree also because if you look at it, this is 5, right? You'd have add extra 5 while this is just 1. So I will go for the one that says 1. The difference is 1 instead of the 5. Very good. Anyone want to volunteer for this one? Can volunteer without seeing it, guys. We're all mathematicians here. All right, so read this one and then see if who will volunteer for it.
Okay, so it says Fabian has 3/5 kilograms of onion. Latoya has 5 more onions than Fabian. On the number line below, the distance 0 to 1 has been divided into 10 equal parts. A, B, C, or D. So first, because the number line is split into 10 equal parts, I tried to find the equivalent fraction for 3/5, and that is 6/10.
All right, so you find the equivalent fraction, which is 6/10. And what's the significance of that? When you find that, what's next?
And then, so what I did, I added 5 to the 3, and I got 8 for Latoya, for the amount of onions that Latoya has.
All right, so what's the answer?
My answer is point D because D is closer to 10 and 8 is closer to 10.
All right. Everybody agree with that? What Abby says? She says it's D.
Sir, I don't understand how she got 6/10.
All right.
Yeah, add the denominators together.
Abby, you want to explain where you got the 6/10 for here?
Sir. So what I did, because it has 10 parts, I just multiplied 5 times 2, and whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So I multiplied 3 times 2, and I got 6. And to check that, you can just reduce 6/10, and you'll get 3/5.
Very good. All right. So guys, one thing Abby didn't say, but it's correct, it's B. So guys, basically, remember, if it's 3/5, it means that it's greater than half, right? As a fraction, 3/5 is greater than half.
Yes, sir.
So this point right here is a half. So already we can eliminate these two because guess what? They say that Fabian has 3/5 kilograms of onion, Latoya has 5 more. You know why they tell us that Latoya have 5 more? They didn't say 5 more pounds or 5 kilograms. They want you to know that it's actually heavier than what Fabian has. So all we have to do, figure out the point 3/5. Now, as you said, it will be 6/10 is as the equivalent fraction. Since if I check these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this point here is 5/10, which is a half. Everybody agree with that? And then this would be 6/10. So this is Latoya's actually weight. And we know that he has 5 onions more. So that means it's going to be greater. So yeah, that is correct. All right. So I know she added that, but yeah, it's correct, man. It's correct. Good job. So we could eliminate A and B right away because they say it's 350 kilograms, and they give you up to 1 kilogram, and if 3/5 is greater than a half. So all we have to do, figure out which point is for Fabian, and Fabian would be at point C. So that if that is heavier, that means it would be 6. So it would be 70 because the weight is actually heavier. Very good, Abby. All right, let me let in then. Who wants to do this one? It says if the marketing department of a company wants to find out, oh guys, that one you're gonna have some bag of debate.
Sir,
Yeah,
I don't understand 29.
29 or 30. Just the 29. 30, you mean? This one you're talking?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Still don't understand.
All right, guys. Make me try to break it down in a simpler term. Now, from 0 to 1 kilogram, right? How many strokes exist between those? From 0 to 1. You literally have to go count them, right? So you have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10, right? Everybody see that? It's 10 strokes. 1, 2, 3,
Yes, sir.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the examiner did, they didn't give you in 5. They gave you 3/5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what we could figure out about the 3/5. Let's figure out the fraction for each of these. Alright, let me small up my pens. Hold on, guys. Because I want to show you how simple it is. I think it's this thinnest. So this fraction, what is this? This would be what? 1 over 10. Everybody agree?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And you consider like
It will be 2 over 10. Next one, it
Jeremiah,
will
why
be 2
you doing
over
that?
10.
And then you have 3 over 10.
3 over 10. 4 over 10.
Yeah.
5 over 10.
5 over 10 is the same as a what? A half. And it makes sense, right? So this point is 6 over 10.
6 over 10.
And this point is 7 over 10. So now they gave us 3/5. Which of these fractions is equivalent to 3/5? Look at 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 3 over 10, 2 over 10, 5 over 10, 6 over 10, 7 over 10. Which of these is equivalent to 3/5?
6 over 10.
6 10. It would be 6/10 because if you break down 6/10 in its lowest term, it would be 3/5. So that means this is Fabian weight right here. Everybody agree? Because this is equivalent to 3/5. 6 over 10 is equivalent to 3/5. That we have right here. So that means this is Fabian onion weighs. It weighs right this at point C. Now if Latoya has 5 more onions, would Latoya onion weigh less or weigh more? More. So only 1 point is greater than C, which is D.
Sir.
Hey, I'm on it.
Yeah, because sir, sir. For 31, sir, if other people get different answers than me, sir, can I explain my answer?
Okay, so guys, unfortunately, 31 will be the last one. You're clear now, Sakina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. if the marketing department of a company wants to find out if babies like their new flavor of baby formula, whom should they survey?
Babies.
The baby.
Babies, sir.
Babies.
Search the babies.
Babies. So I'm thinking it's the babies.
The parents to see if the parents tell you that the babies like to drink
I
it
would say parents
or
as well,
The
sir.
babies.
because
The
if
babies.
the parents is light and the babies can't talk, they can't
It's
talk.
the babies.
The parents, you would have to talk to the parents because you can't talk to the babies because the babies can't talk.
Yeah.
Sir, I
Do
choose
it, sir, with
babies, sir, because
parents.
sir, I choose the baby because
It's the baby.
like if they give the baby the food, sir, and like the babies that they can serve it like a amount of babies, sir, and they give the babies the food, sir, and if they do not spit it out, they like it, sir, and if like majority of them spit it out, sir, you would know that they don't like it.
Okay.
Sir,
All right.
it's the
So guys,
parents.
so guys, hold on. All right. So it's between the babies and the parents. I think we kind of agree on that. But this is what they say a survey is. It say it look closely at our examine, right? Or you examine someone or something. So, and then the definition 2 says examine and record the area of features of an area of land. Oh, this no, these are different. I think they're talking about survey land. All right. I think they say it's the parents, guys.
Yes, sir, because
The parents would observe the baby.
the parents would feed it to the babies, and then the parents give the review of the baby.
Yeah.
Sir, we did this exact same question at school the other day, and it is babies.
Yeah, I choose babies first, but then some persons made some valid point and said, Mr. Bennett, as someone said, the babies cannot talk or give any feedback. Even though survey says you can examine it, persons says it's parents. But we kind of agree that it's kind of parents because
so you would have to survey the parents. I was the one that said it, Shamoya Williams.
yeah.
But the
So guys,
parents don't go eat the food.
even before I read it, I said we're gonna have a debate about it because it has always been like that with that particular question. So originally I was saying because you could hit the baby and observe it, but then
Tell me that it's a cat. Could tell me that it's a cat, okay? Because I did not hear.
It can be an observation, guys. That's what I'm getting.
That is the chat, because I can't hear you.
You can't hear us? Guys, class actually gonna finish now, unfortunately.
No, I mean the kids that were saying that the kids that were saying something to me, I can't hear them because of the noise. I hear them.
I said good job.
Okay. Alright. So guys, we try the 30.
Thank you.
Diana found a torn piece of paper shown below. Which could be the number torn out if the sum of the 6 number was an odd number? This probably take a little time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this was torn out. What you guys think could be the fourth number that was torn out? It's supposed to be 6 numbers. The sum should be an odd number.
Sir, can you please scroll down a little bit? I can't see the option.
Yeah, I know. I realize.
Okay, sir, I got my answer.
Well, share with us because this class is gonna end anyway, guys. I will send you the video here.
Okay, sir. It would be C.
Makes sense. It's the only odd number, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And the following is already an even number. So if you add an odd number to it.
Yeah. Correct. Good job. So guys, we're gonna end now. My lower school, just give me a little time. I'm gonna switch over the device, all right? So guys,
Bye,
good job.
sir.
Take care.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir.
Take care. See you guys soon.
Bye,
All right.
sir.
Keep working, guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Saboya. All right. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Jeremiah. Take care, guys. See you soon. Lower school, just give me 2
Bye.
minutes. We're gonna begin shortly. All right. Take care. Yeah.
Bye,
All right,
sir.
guys. So
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna stop recording.